during my work days, parang soulless ako habang nagtatrabaho. Choosing what I want to do in my life. Yun talaga yung pagpe-perform or music per se.
I realized na pwede naman ako mag-aral sa sarili ko. Ganun lang yung ginawa ko to progress in life, what really matters, or ano ba talaga ang purpose ng buhay.
Now, I learn how to manage my money well. Dati kasi, yun yung walang-wala ako. Nung na-experience ko before, yun din yung naging eye-opener sa akin.
Mahal na mahal ko yung magulang ko. I would sacrifice everything for them, you know? Kasi alam ko kung gaano sila nasaktan kasi they work so hard for me. Kahit maubos ako, I would give it to them.
Ever since nung bata ko, school uwi, ganyan. So, nung college, nag-start po ako mag-explore kasi I feel like hindi ko gusto yung ginagawa ko.